Since last 11 and a half months, we discussed on various investment strategies, various webinars. We had over 50 to 60 webinars in last 11 months. I thought of sharing some of the tools and apps which I was using since like last 1 to 2 years, and where I am seeing a great advantage. So I thought of using this holiday season next 1 week to share about various apps. So before that, let me quickly introduce about myself if someone is new to this call. So I am Kishore Ramaraju, immigrant from Hyderabad, moved to US in 2005. Currently, I am living at Sugarland, Texas. I'm an IT consultant, a passive income coach, and also an entrepreneur. As most of you know, I organized over 60 plus webinars and seminars in 2020 related to college education, immigration, taxation, medical investment strategies, business opportunities, new technologies in IT, meditation, etc. If you want any information on any other topics, please feel free to email me or message me on my phone number. My email address is kishore.ramaraju@gmail.com and my phone number is 832-867-8808. And if you want to set up an appointment, a free consultation about passive income or about any other opportunities, you can click on this URL and you can schedule a meeting. Now moving on to today's topic, which is M1 Finance. Right, M1 Finance is one of the best apps I can say, which I started using in this year since January. So this M1 Finance is a do-it-yourself investment app which offers investors access to robo-advisory tools and other investment services. That means just you can select the stocks or funds and you can forget about it. Then the tool will take care of everything. So it is like a automated, especially if you are busy, you don't have an opportunity to every day to go and track your stocks and funds, then definitely M1 Finance is a best app for you. This app was founded in 2015 by Brian Barnes, and the company now has over 500 million. Actually, according to latest numbers, it is nearly $2 billion in assets under management now. So it is this company is growing very quickly because it has a lot of great features. What is the best thing about M1 Finance? Right? We all want to buy Tesla, we all want to buy Amazon stocks, we want to buy Microsoft, but everybody cannot afford those stocks. Whereas this M1 Finance app will allow the investors to create pies of stocks and ETFs. Right? We can choose between custom pies and pre-built pies. So a pie, for example, I can say I want 5% of Microsoft, I want 5% of Facebook, I want 10% of Nvidia, I want 20% of Tesla. Like that, I can buy fractional stocks. I don't need to buy the entire stock. I can buy fractional stocks using this app. So I can build my custom pies, or this app also allows some expert pies or pre-built pies, which based on your need, based on your requirement, affordability, suitability, you can choose those pre-built pies, and you can build your portfolio. I'll show you all those things. And the advantage of this M1 Finance is basically diversification, right? We can based on our risk appetite, we can diversify into various assets, into different stocks, different ETFs, and also, as I already mentioned, we can buy fractional shares of the higher price stocks. We don't need to buy the entire stock. And for example, based on the objective, if you want to save for retirement, or if you are looking for a high risk profile, based on your risk appetite, you can select your expert pies and you can invest, and you can basically this tool will help us to grow our portfolio. Not only for stock investments, this M1 Finance also helps us to set up an IRA or Roth IRA. Right, the best thing about this app is there is no fee. right? We don't need to pay any fee to buy or sell the stocks, and it is very simple. So it is very easy to operate. Anybody can quickly right understand how to create a pie, how to select the expert pies, and also it gives us the full control. We can personalize the portfolio with a custom solution for our future. And uh, and right, let me show you the app so you will understand more about this, why right, why this is one of the best apps for investing. So if you right, let me log on to this. So let me show you, right? For example, let us go with this expert pies, right? Which are like our pre-built pies, where M1 Finance already created some expert pies based on right, based on the requirement. For example, if somebody wants to for general investment purpose, they can select any of these pies. Or if someone want to save for their retirement, they can use these pies. Or for responsible investing, where they don't want to take a lot of risk, they can use those. Or income earners, or hedge fund followers, or just stocks and bonds. So based on based on the requirement, based on our risk appetite, based on the objective, we can select these, right? For example, hedge fund followers mimic the investment strategies of some of the most successful investors and reputable hedge funds. You can click on the view pies and you can see, for example, Berkshire Hathaway or Greenlight Capital, Paulson and Company, Tiger Global Management. You can just follow them. If you click on this, for example, Berkshire Hathaway, you can see that what is their portfolio. And for example, this particular pie, they have, for example, Apple 48%, Bank of America 11%, Coca-Cola 9%, American Express 7%. Out of this 100% of the pie, you can see what are the various slices, what are the various stocks they are investing. You can basically mimic, and you can basically add this pie to your portfolio. If you invest your $500, $100, $1,000, that thousand will be divided. For example, you are starting your investment with $1,000. $480 of your thousand will go to Apple. $110 will go to Bank of America. $90 will go to Coca-Cola. And basically, and if you want, you can every month you can add certain amount, or you can just keep it like that. And you can see how this particular pie is right increasing, right? For example, in last 1 year performance, it is nearly 8.15%. In last 3 years, this pie went up by 27%. In last 5 years, this combination went up by nearly 61%. Like this, right? Whichever you want, based on, right, you can refer to various pies, and whichever you like, you can invest into one of those pies. Or for example, you want to create your own pie, you can go to my pies and then click on create new pie, and then it will allow you, right, which stocks you want to add. For example, I want to add Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. Maybe I want to add Alibaba, Tesla, right? For example, I want to create a pie with all these things. I basically selected those, and then I have six slices. So basically divided them into 17, 17, 17, and last two slices 16, 16%. Now if I contribute $1,000 into it, basically 170 will go towards Amazon, 170 towards Apple, and basically this will uh, right. I am investing in the combination of some of the top stocks which are working in the same way, right? Not only stocks, if I want to add some funds, right? For example, I want to add Vanguard, or I want to add Spy, whichever I want, right? I can select any of these things, and I can create my customized pie, right? Again, I am reminding you that we can create expert pies, which are inbuilt pies created by the M1 Finance tool, or you can create your own pie, and you can use this tool. This tool will basically help you to do the automatic rebalancing, all those things, right? For example, you can let me show you my pie which I created around January of 2020, right? You can see that I created a pie with Nvidia, Amazon, Apple, and for example, in last 1 year, this the combination of these stocks went up by 93.55%. Right? I did not do anything. Just I created a pie. I invested some amount in, and it went up by 93.55%. So that is the advantage, or that is the best thing with, right? And whenever you do add more funds to this pie, the tool will basically automatically rebalance, right? Based on the percentages you allocated, based on the prices of those stocks, the tool will do everything for you. You don't need to worry about it. So I definitely see this as one of the greatest tools, especially for the beginners in stock investment. If you are new to stocks, definitely this is one way where you can do your investments, where you can, right, instead of keeping your money in a bank other than emergency fund, your money should be, right, working for you. It should be invested in various channels, diversify, and then make sure that you are making minimum 8 to 10%. So if you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email. I'll help you to set up your pies. And if you have any questions regarding this tool, please let me know. I will help you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.